Hello, welcome back to Breakout Trading, where we are going to help you break out in your trading career. So, let's take a look at the SPY. What happened today? Today we had a little red day, whatever. A lot of the market ripped today, but the SPY was pretty flat. It's going a little down here after hours. So, maybe we're going to see a little retest coming up. But as it stands currently, buy the dip, buy the bounce, be a bull. So that's where the SPY is at the moment. Let's take a look at Apple today. Apple had a pretty strong day. The split happened. And buyers are still coming in. Even so, I tried to day trade on it, and I got in. After this candle, I got in on the dip right here. So I snagged it right there on this candle. And today I wanted to practice my holding muscle. And got up to here. I was up like 4.5 Rs. And then I watched it fly down. And because of theta on options, this wick right here smacked me out, of course. But whatever, it was a good trade. Apple extremely bullish today. And we closed at an all-time high yet again. Little high wave candle, but mostly bullish. So, just keep an eye out on a break above here. That would be the play on this. And if you can, buy a dip to the EMA if it does do that, if we do see a dip coming up. Okay, next up we have the one, the only, the greatest, the GOAT, the rocket ship from a different planet, Tesla. My God, what did I tell you about those people? Just buy. That is what they're doing. They are buying, still closing at 498. And it's at like 508 after hours. That is a $2,500 stock if the split never happened. $2,500. This is mind-boggling, and it's just going. So I don't know what to say. Just don't short it, and just enjoy watching it, or buy a share, and maybe have some fun with it, ride it if it keeps going. But yeah, Tesla I just got this up there just in honor. Sorry, my oven went off. Just in honor of this beautiful, beautiful thing. Okay. Next up, we got ROKU with a pretty strong day after dipping. I actually bought in on this dip because I said I was going to, and I stuck to that plan. Bought it on the dip, and it flew up. I got it around 169.80. And yeah, this all-time high close, still working above where it broke out. So, looking at this long term, go weekly, we got some room to run if we could keep having some strength up here. So keep an eye out on this. Don't be afraid to get in this one. Okay, up next, AMD broke out beautifully. Said I was going to load up on this one if it broke out, and I missed it because I was focused on Apple. But just gorgeous. Gorgeous here. So we could have another leg up on AMD. We could do it, no doubt. Closed at 90.89. If we come back to 87.20s, be a buyer, buy the dip. Okay, next Square. Square is still pushing up on this resistance here. That is a lot of pressure building around this point. Let's try and make a lot of pressure being cooked up. So if we do squeeze up one more day, if that's possible, or we break to the bottom of this trend line, if we do break below this, then I'd be a little bearish until around here, 134.80. But being a bear has not been cool recently. So I would be watching for the breakout above here and riding this thing to wherever it may go, because that is a lot of pressure cooking up. All these bears will get trapped if this thing goes up, and that is a perfect recipe for a big green candle day. So keep an eye on Square. And lastly, I want to do Zoom. Zoom had a beautiful day right there. And I mean, hold up. Get ready for this. Oh my God. That big green candle you just saw? Let's go back. This big green candle, that's this day. Look how tiny that day looks compared to what just happened on this earnings report. They smashed earnings. Smashed. I think they made more money in the last 3 months than they made all of last year, and everyone is buying right now. So tomorrow, this is going to be fantastic trading opportunity. It is opening, if it stays where it is right now, it is opening up there, up in Jupiter. That's where it's going to open. So we'll see what happens on this, but we could see a good fade. A lot of people taking profits, so maybe it comes down initially. But I mean, those earnings were sick, so we shall see. But yeah, definitely going to be keeping an eye on that one to see what happens there. And there you have it. That is our review for today. Please, guys, if you have any tickers you want us to look at, leave us a comment. Let us know. If you got any questions, put them down below. We will answer you. We're waiting for our first comment for a ticker. We can't wait to review one for you guys. So please, leave it down below. And thank you for watching.